Alright, well, my steering quit working on me while I was doing the break-in video. So I don't know if it's going to be a repair video or what. See if I can figure out what's going on with it. Alright, so it works like this. As soon as there's any weight on it. Maybe a stripped out gear internally. Already checked down here. It's hard to do this with a fucking broken hand, but the gear in here is good. This moves with this, so it's definitely inside the box there. Let's open it up and see if I can figure out what's going on. Alright, so I had to take the bumper off here, or whatever you're gonna body mount. This is real bendy plastic that you can't really get a screwdriver there, but this is all made bendy so it doesn't break. So you can just kind of bend it, push it out of the way. Got to take that out so I can pull the box out. Take your bottom screw out there. It's holding all your steering gear or whatever you want to call that up on there like that. I might just need to take the lid off and see what's going on inside of there. Okay, I took the 4 screws out. They're real long, skinny bastards. See if I can get the lid off now. Oh, there it goes. Alright. That's just a little chip. It looks like it separates down there too. Yep. Alright, there's all the gears and shit I gotta look at. They look fine, honestly. See what I can find. Should be common sense, but make sure you don't get any dirt and shit in here. As you can see, it's nice and greased up, sealed, clean, waterproof, all that. You do not want to get any dirt in there. Then you're definitely going to have issues. Yeah, I don't know. Everything seems to be working. There's no stripped teeth. That turns 180 degrees lock to lock. This turns like it should. It goes both ways. It's hard to do one-handed. I don't know. Seems like everything's fine. Must be up in here. Or maybe something just came loose and on reinstall it'll correct itself. Okay, so I pulled all the gears out and inspected them, and every single tooth is accounted for. Same up here. I took that one off of there. Even the little teeth in there from the motor are good. Anyways, that's your adjustment. You make it go left and right. Turns, all the teeth are accounted for, but with this other gear on here turning, if I grab it and hold it in place, it stops, but I keep hearing a spinning motion from inside. So what I think is that the drive gear, I think it's spinning on the shaft from the motor, and like basically once it's under any force, the shaft is spinning inside of that instead of turning the gear. I think that's what's happening. I'm going to take it apart and inspect it. See if I can confirm that somehow. Maybe we can just Loctite it in place and it'll be good to go. Okay, that's exactly what's happening. I can't show you with 1.5 hands, but I locked the gear in place with this bit, and you can actually probably see it because it's turning slowly right now. It's spinning inside of that gear, so basically the gear has become detached from the motor shaft, and it attempts to spin it, see, but once it's put under any real pressure trying to turn the wheels or whatnot, it just spins within it. And I cannot figure out how to get this thing open, so that's my issue. If I can get it open, I'm going to try to glue it in place or something, but I can't, not in this video.